guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I have another Beautylish box and can I just say I'm very excited that I have this. So if you haven't seen it already, I did do a Beautylish Lucky Bag XL unboxing. If you haven't seen it, I will link that below for you. This is a regular bag, so I paid for my XL one and this one was actually gifted to me. So thank you, you know who you are. So I'm really excited to dive in and see what I got in the regular box. Now my XL one was pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. So I don't quite know what to expect. And by the way, I am like literally cutting this open with tiny scissors as we speak. So while I'm doing that, if you're not familiar, Beautylish Lucky Bags are something that go on sale the day after Christmas. They have a $75 option, which is what this is, and then the XL was $150. So with this one, you have guaranteed $150 or more value. Occasionally there are extra lucky bags. I'm not expecting that, but I'm expecting to just get excited and see what's in here. Also, sorry, I have on next to no makeup and I have a breakout that I decided to mess with. So we're just gonna go with it. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time talking about it. You guys have probably seen unboxings. If you haven't seen mine, you've probably seen others. But these are really fun. And I have to just say, again, a shout out to the wrapping and the tag. So adorable with a little sumo theme. I do love that. But I think this is something I really was like, ugh, I think I already have that. So I'm kind of not super excited about this. So this is the Jouer Powder Highlighter Trio Skinny Dip, Ice, and Rose Gold, or what's in it. Okay, so I do have these. I actually purchased this set, and this was for sale, not this past holiday, but the previous holiday season. So kind of odd. I mean, I feel like this is something that they're needing to like move out because it's older. I'm gonna save that package for a giveaway. So I swatched the three shades right here. So you've got Ice, you've got Rose Gold, and this is Skinny Dip. This is what the three highlighters actually look like, since I have my own that I can show you. I like the formula of this highlight a lot. I'm just not really into the like mini gift set thing. Like I was expecting more full-size items and they did several, you know, gift sets this year. Not a bad thing to get, but I already have it. Okay, so I've got a little bundle of things. I got a Sugar Pill liquid lip color in the shade Strange Love. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you, but I think I may already have that, so I'm not gonna open this up. I got a Cover FX Shimmer Veil in Moonstone, and I think I might have this. I think I may have gotten this in BoxyCharm. So these are just like a lot of items that I may have, I don't know. So I'm gonna check on both of those. They may go into an upcoming giveaway, like I said. Okay, I got the Goss brush number 14. I am excited to see this one. So this is not a brush I already have. I love my Goss brushes. For instance, I think I got the number 13 last year, and then I do have the number 15. Okay, so I've got 13, 14, and 15. So the one I got this time is 14. Very good quality brushes, as you probably know. They feel so nice. It's nice and dense, but soft at the same time. I think this will be a good highlight. I could even do like a little precision blush with this maybe, but definitely good for the highlight. So I'm excited to have a Goss brush. Okay, I got the coming soon item. So you guys have probably seen, they all have that sleeve on it. It's from Good Molecules. And I did get the Super Peptide Serum, which I'm excited about because in my XL, I did get the eye serum. So this is the Super Peptide Serum formulated with tripeptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. So I'm really excited because now I've gotten two products from this brand that I can really put to the test. Oh, I'm really excited. Okay, really for me, the brush and this next item are gonna be like what make it for me. So I got a Viseart palette. I'm so excited. And I have to admit, I'm so excited that I didn't get an Anastasia palette because I have all of them. So any one that I would have gotten would have been like kind of a letdown just because it would have been a dupe. But this is exciting. So this is the Golden Hour palette. It's a 9-shade palette. That's what the packaging looks like. Yes, so that's what your outside of the palette looks like. Oh, this is gorgeous. So this is what Golden Hour looks like. So pretty. Yeah, I'm 100% excited for this palette. I'm really glad that I got this and really excited about the brush as well. I will definitely put the serum to good use. And the other three things, even though I think I have them, they're actually good items. Like I already have them because they're good and I've kept them in my collection for a reason. So good things that I'm gonna hold on to and save for a giveaway. So make sure you are subscribed and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video and would like to see more. And of course, turn on notifications so you can see my other videos, including future future giveaways that will include some of these items. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!